Ôi, chào Hằng.
I was here until 4 a.m. today. I've been doing this so many nights, over and over again, rehearsing in front of this stupid green screen. You'll keep saying that the delivery cannot, but if the content is shit, then how to make it better? Just look at the number of subscribers and look at the number of viewers we have on our channel. I've been trying very hard to do this. I'm working my ass off here, but it doesn't seem to be working at all. I'm going to complain to MOM and SPCA about this.
Alright, sure.
And the thing about salary, you haven't paid us for the last 3 months. Keep on saying you don't need to get whose approval. Someone make us take pay cut. Anyway, who is this fucker in this chat? Who is this guy? Can someone kick him?
Awi, where you go? Hey, boss, why you kick Awi? Boss, hey.
Okay, Cuckoo and the other bird is going on unpaid leave. Win-win? Win-win, are you okay to take on as the project lead?
No! Sorry, boss. You were talking to me?
Botak of Birdman Media has been requested to step down from his position after allegations of financial mismanagement under his leadership arose. As of yesterday, talk show hosts Aoi and Cuckoo have officially taken over the position of CEO and are poised to launch their content in a new direction.
This is a story of how the Jiaolang came to be. A long time ago, people in the whole wide world lived together in harmony. But because of selfishness and greed, they started to do bad things. They stole each other's chickens and called each other names. Because of this, they came to be known as Jiaolang. A Jiaolang is a person who doesn't care about others and instead only cares for themselves. One day, one such Jiaolang woke up to find that instead of his handsome nose, he had a long yellow beak. He was so surprised to let out a huge squawk. The other Jiaolang soon realized they were starting to turn into Birdman too, unless they found a way to reverse it.
Hi everyone, I'm Cuckoo.
And I'm Aoi.
As of today, Aoi and myself will be taking over Birdman Media.
We will be pivoting from a self-serving company to one that strives to serve others instead.
Our journey begins next week. Stay tuned.